Are you looking for the best AI software just released that can revolutionize how your kids learn? In today's ReadKidz AI review, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this software. I'll break down exactly why this might be the game changer you've been waiting for, so stick around until the end. There's a surprise waiting for you. First, let's talk about what ReadKidz AI is and why it's creating a buzz. This is a brand new AI tool designed specifically to help kids learn to read more effectively. Using cutting-edge machine learning, ReadKidz AI adapts to each child's reading level and learning style, providing personalized support. Whether your child is just starting to read or is already well on their way, this software meets them where they are, offering tailored content that grows with them. What really sets ReadKidz AI apart is its ability to track and analyze a child's progress in real time. As kids engage with the app, it collects data on their strengths and areas for improvement. The AI then adjusts the learning path to ensure optimal progress. So it's not just about reading, it's about making reading feel natural, fun, and most importantly, effective. Another key feature of ReadKidz AI is the voice interaction. Kids can speak into the app and it will understand and respond accordingly. This promotes active participation, which is essential for keeping young learners engaged. It's almost like having a personal tutor that adapts to your child's needs, making learning more interactive and dynamic. Now, if you've been wondering how easy it is to get started with ReadKidz, I've got great news. The user interface is incredibly intuitive. Parents will appreciate how quickly they can set up their child's profile, choose their grade level, and get started. The app is designed with simplicity in mind, so there's no tech overwhelm here. Even if you're not tech savvy, you won't have trouble navigating through the app's features. Another huge selling point is the content variety. ReadKidz AI doesn't just focus on phonics or vocabulary, it covers a range of topics, including comprehension and storytelling. This holistic approach means your child won't just learn how to read, they'll develop a deeper understanding of language as a whole. This is particularly useful for kids who might struggle with reading comprehension, as the app can focus more on those areas if needed. As for the cost, here's the best part. You can try ReadKidz AI for free. Yes, you heard that right. There's a no-strings-attached trial available through the first link in the description below. You can test it out and see for yourself how well it fits into your child's learning routine. Let's not forget about the accessibility features. ReadKidz AI is available on both iOS and Android, making it accessible no matter what device you have at home. Whether your child uses a tablet, smartphone, or even a computer, they can easily access the app from anywhere. Finally, it's important to consider the long-term benefits. While the first few weeks with ReadKidz AI are designed to give quick results, over time, the app will help build a solid foundation in literacy. The more your child interacts with the platform, the better the learning outcomes they'll see. It's a tool that can grow with them. And as their reading skills improve, the AI continues to provide more advanced content. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a way to enhance your child's reading skills, ReadKidz AI is definitely worth checking out. I've reviewed thousands of AI tools, and this one stands out for its unique approach to personalized, interactive learning. Remember, you can try it for free through the first link below. I've also got some of my top recommended AI software options in the description, so be sure to check those out after giving ReadKidz AI a try. I've sifted through the best, and I'm confident you'll find the right fit for your child.